I use a table. My NS for table to eat, guys. Look at that. Hi guys, welcome back to Pham Legend channel. Car dealership and performance shop. It's Pham Motorsport, and today we're gonna do the exhaust on a Subaru Legacy turbo, guys. Pretty quick, and I don't think I'm gonna sit on it for him to drive, man. Last time they drive crazy out there, very crazy. I can post a video that he passed on a guy, man, so fast. I said good already, why you still going? What the heck, man? They were racing on the street or what? This Subaru Legacy, we come here for exhaust, and this is already turbo. And hopefully we're gonna tune this car too. Oh man, look at that, the exhaust hanging down, guys. Woo. Đạp vài ba cái với ba ơi, con đạp vài ba cái ơi. We got a new helper today.
Cho nó vô cái cây đó thôi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, man, to weld the exhaust right here on the Legacy. See how important you are, man. Dual exhaust, 2 single exhaust. This one, guys, and it'll probably tilt it that way. Yeah, everything clamped here. Yeah, look nice. So you can adjust later if you want to. Woo! Car.
08.
2008 Legacy, huh?
Yep.
You wanna change what?
Fog lights.
The HID? HID fog light and do the exhaust, guys. Do exhaust into single exhaust, but sideways like that look like a Supra. Toyota Supra style. Take out a connector, huh? Put that fog light in, guys. We have a standard pipe, a lot of here, going here, nice there. Yep. Cut it all out from here, guys. Woo. Bad, man. Supra style. Yeah, that's how it is. Started, guys. See. Not bad. That's the sound of the road, guys. Woo. What can you do over here? You gonna plug it over here or what? Yeah, look at Legacy, man. This is my nephew like. He like this one right here. This is a turbo right here, guys. What you do to this car?
Just doing it.
Just tune it?
Yeah.
What you have a tune? Cop?
Yep.
Got a cop tuner, guys. And what kind of amp right here? You know, it's not Mr. Motor, right? Oh, what you guys know about this intercooler, guys? It's 08 Subaru Legacy Turbo. Very nice. What you guys think about this look, man? It's like a kind of white pearl with a pearl in it, white, and rims. Slow down, but now we do the exhaust, and we do the single exhaust in this car. Look like a Supra, you know, Supra style, guys. But this is a Subaru. This is 4-door. Very potential, very quick, very quick. I don't know how he popped this hood, but without a stand and leave it like that, and it don't shut down, man. How I do that? Yeah. Gram speed. I don't know what part is it? Is the cooler or what, guys? Look, everything here. Woo! Very nice Legacy. Yeah. The interiors, everything is nice. Okay, guys, so we're gonna back out, take it home, and race. Okay. This is a 16G turbo, guys. That's bigger than normal. Not a factory. Can't even see it. Look at that. Woo! Big. It's like a bowl, not a cup. Okay. Yeah, they're adjustable BC coil over, man. Coil over. Yeah, you can see the hood scoop. You know, air go on there, man. Air go on the intercooler. Yeah. Back out, man. The owner backing out. Long stall, man. Woo! Very, very nice potential, guys. Yeah, man. It is rust and then it's stuck or what?
Yeah.
You don't need a hood stand for it, guys. Just put it in and it's stuck like that and it's not gonna flop down. What the heck? How's that supposed to do, man? For real. Pham Motorsport, guys. I'm not gonna go with him, so no need to test drive on it. And last time I saw him drive already, very crazy. So that's cool. I'm cool enough. Yeah, man. Carb tuning, man. Look at that. Access port right here. Woo. So you got all short right now, huh? Hold it, man. Come on, man.
All right.
Yeah, this our shirt, man. Yeah, Pham legend, guys.
Yep.
Woo! Okay, probably gonna beat this thing up right now.
You want to test drive it?
I don't have no. I'm good enough. I'm good enough.
Let's go over here. That's right.
Last time I saw you already, I got some video on your car driving past by already.
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay. Just live it. That's fine. Yeah, we do a lot of fast car here, but sometimes I have to pass on some of the car. You know, good driver, but I'm too scared to sit on it. Look at I can drive, guys. Yeah, guys. Woo! Please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Peace. See you next video.